We got a special delivery right behind me, and guys, this is actually pretty special because a lot of companies reach out to me, some good, some bad, some I hope to work for, some I really could care less. But the company that reached out to me the other day, I have been wanting to work with them forever, and they actually reached out to me, and I couldn't be more appreciative. Guys, Viking hit me up. Yes, the leader in motorcycle saddlebags. That's what we have today. I've seen pictures of it. I have not seen it in person. I'm really excited to see it because that's got to go. That needs to, hit the road. That is a Honda OEM saddlebag. It's okay. It's pretty ugly looking. It's just this cloth, floppy, pretty small. It does clip off, but it just, to me, it looks very ugly. This, I know, is going to be pretty awesome. So let's get out of the box. Let's take a look at it. Let's just throw that somewhere, and let's get a move on it. All right, there it is out of the box in this plastic, nicely wrapped. First impressions, yeah, this thing is awesome. It's heavy too. There is some weight to this, which right off the bat tells me quality. Let's get this out of the bag and get a better look at it. I mean, wow, this is pretty insane here. All right, first things first, since that's out of the box, goodbye. You gotta go, like, over there. And let's take a look at this bad boy up close. I mean, this thing is amazing. I just love the shape of this thing. It's just, like, classy. You'll have other options just besides this one. I was up in the air between this one and another one. The reason why I really like this one is I just kind of like this little side pouch. I always need a spot for my sunglasses. So when I usually get to a destination, I always forget my sunglasses actually. So now I can keep them safely in here, which is pretty awesome. That's what I'll be using that for, but you can use that for anything. Other side of it, so it is locking too. Look at, and as we get into talking about the other side of it, there's your keys, nicely protected in this little rubber pouch. You get 2 keys for it. And obviously it is detachable just by looking at the back here. You can unclip it, remove it from the bike if needed. Let's look in the inside of it. All right, so first things first, you're gonna unclip it right here. Boom, this comes off. Here's your key. You are going to unlock it, and then you have this lever here. So when you just push this lever, boom, here's this lever in action. Locks it down along with your key. And inside, just as I thought, is your installation hardware to mount, similar to that old Honda one. This will go attach right there. Easy enough. But let's take another look at the inside since we are inside the Viking bag. Pretty cool. I mean, look at this. You got 2 pouches right here. They do Velcro off too, if need be. And you have plenty of storage room. So this is nice. You can almost keep sunglasses or whatever else you want in here. Maybe a wall, keys, whatever you need, any type of important documents. The inside is super nice. Holy cow. I'm actually shocked on how nice the inside of this saddlebag is, but plenty of storage. So what exactly are we looking at here? We're looking at a key. It's lockable. It's made out of like fiberglass. It's high-end fiberglass and Viking leather. Super nice quality. I could smell the leather as soon as I opened it up. And we're looking at our dimensions. The length is 13.5 inches, width is 6.75, and your height is 15 inches. The lid opening is 12 by 5.25 and has a storage capacity of 915 cubic inches. What does that mean? That means you could fit about 21 cans of whatever you need to put in there, just to give you an idea. Also, it is a weather resistant bag, so don't worry about that. And with everything, Viking is super cool. With returns, you have 45 days, hassle-free, but you're not gonna wanna return it because look how kick-ass this thing is. All right, I can't wait to see it on the bike. Let's go. But that's the hardware. You get the bracket and the hardware, simple, put it on, easy. Really, that's that easy. And boom, done. Simple. I'm gonna say 5 minutes. I might be generous too by saying that. 5-minute install. So simple. Literally just, well, on mine, I just had to unscrew that. And the bracket matched up nicely. I'm gonna tell you something. Just another reason why I like Viking bags. That is the stock Honda OEM upgraded bracket for the saddlebag. When I received it, and this is a Honda issue. This isn't, you know, whoever shipped it out to me. It was missing paint. The paint was chipped off. It was already like this when I got it, right? Another thing is these tabs that go on here, these come separate when you buy the Honda one, and they make you screw these in. And this one and this one were stripped. I couldn't even get them in there. I literally had to jam it in there and know that, you know, that if I try to put this back in, that's not gonna happen. I took these out just because I was trying to remember if that was the case, and then it all hit me. Yes, that was the case. These were stripped out. So when you receive the Honda one, they make you screw these in. Why? I don't know. When you receive the Viking one, these are already in there. They're already in there. You get the bracket, these are in there. And all they give you is the 2 bolts and the 2 spacers. That's it, simple. It's already put together. Boom, ready to go. Your next step is to take the bag and lock it into place. All right, it's on. Are you sure you're ready to see this? I don't think you are. Boom. Look how awesome that looks. Way better than that. Look at that. Look how clean it is. This thing's perfect, right? Perfect height. Everything just looks good. Here's your zippered pouch. And then another option you can use, you don't have to, you do have your thumb button here to release it, but they also give you this. So if you need to, you have a pull tab, you pull that. Otherwise you could just tie this down so it's not flapping around. Look at this, it's like the perfect, when you got the bike on the kickstand, it's angled to you perfectly. It's easy to get access to. The company, if you don't know, you should know. It's vikingbags.com. Go on there, you'll see other options if you have a Rebel 1100. If you're not loving this one, trust me, you will find one that you will love.
All right, so what does one do after they get a Viking saddlebag put on? That's easy. We go ride.
So guys, if you're looking into saddlebags, or if you're looking into anything regarding a bag that is involving a motorcycle, Viking Bags, they make everything. Saddlebags, sissy bar bags, front fork bags. If it's a bag, they got it. I'm telling you, go on their website, search for your motorcycle. It doesn't have to be a Honda Rebel 1100, and you will see what they make for your bike. I guarantee you, you're gonna be just as excited as I was to put this bag on. You'll be just as excited ordering that product from Viking. It's an amazing company based in Los Angeles. They're growing every year. Started 16 years ago making premium leather motorcycle products, and they sell out. When they make products, they sell out. I'm telling you. So don't sleep. If you see something you like, click it, buy it. I'm telling you, you will not be disappointed. Other products I've received in the past, as far as whatever it was, front fork bags, but they were okay, but they were cheap looking. They weren't leather. They were like a pleather. They used cheap plastic clips. Not with Viking. You're getting metal clips. You're getting high-end stitching, premium grade leather, a locking bag, which is super nice, weatherproof, just everything I explained in the beginning. I'm explaining it again now because that's how excited I am. This bag is amazing. I can't wait to go out and ride. I have a Nashville trip coming up, and this is just gonna work out perfectly. So guys, Viking Bags, vikingbags.com, all their information, all their social media will be in the video description. Click on that, you'll see it all there. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Go check out their website. Go do it now. Go do it now. Click off my video. Go to vikingbags.com right now. Go do it. I'm telling you. Get yourself a bag. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.